Iona. If you're wanting to do a backward row, make sure you've got your tuck shape really nice where your feet are close to your bottom and your knees are close to your chest. So pull them in as close as you can and then let go with your arms to make sure you can hold your knees in with your tummy muscles. If you can do that, check you've got nothing lying on the floor behind you and you can rock back and forward, keeping it in your tuck shape. Use your arms to help. Of course, when you're doing a backward row, you'll need your arms, so try without your arms as well. When you're doing a backward row, you have your hands up here, so your elbows will be high, so your hands can touch the ground and push your head over. So high elbows like Mickey Mouse ears at your ears. My wrists are quite bendy. I'm trying to get a good angle on that. So have your hands behind your ears or even lower at your shoulders. And you'll do that by having high elbows. Tuck shape, nice and close. High elbows. Rock back, push the ground with your hands and back up again. Do that. That's what you do to get over. And I'm off camera, but I stayed in my tuck shape till my feet touched the ground. Some people open out and they finish on their knees and things. But if you just stay in that shape till your feet touch the ground, you'll be able to stand up at the end. But I'll show you something to make that a bit easier to practice. Ta-da! Make yourself a hill to go down. You've got the same mats as me and you are a lot lighter than me, so you hopefully can even make yourself a steeper hill. There's just showing what I've done. I've folded it so I've got 3 at one bit, 2, then I've made it a bit bigger, but you could maybe even just have one big pile and a firm slope because you're a lot lighter. But I will just collapse that. Let's see if I can put it back together again. No, I can't. It was a one-off, however that happened. Or maybe it was something else. Oh, I don't know. It's not quite the same. Liked it better how it was, however that was. I just don't know anymore. That's how it is now anyway. Not as good, but it will do. So I'm sat near the edge or at the top. Get my tuck shape back again. My hands. Move the camera angle. Alex is away at Taekwondo, so he's not available to help. This is maybe the best angle I've got. At the top of my hill in my tuck shape. Arms ready with my elbows up. No, can't fit that on camera anywhere. Back. Push my head up. And my feet are on the ground. So you can practice making your arms strong for pushing your head up with your press-ups. And you can do your sit-ups as well if you're struggling to keep your tuck shape. Do some of your sit-ups. You could pull yourself up. You don't need to do them up the hill. Good luck. And if I can help with anything else, let me know. I'm sure you'll be great at your judo exam. See you later.